This model kit review is of the AT-AT, and this is from Star Wars. It's a 1/44 scale model by Bandai, and they've got some beautiful box art here. They make amazing kits. Look at that. You've got different states you can put it in, and it's the all-terrain armored transport, AT-AT. Got some very nice details here. Looks like from different views, and we've got a laser coming out the front with a display base. So let's have a look inside. This will be a lot larger than the other version that they offer. But Bandai makes extremely detailed and high quality molds. So I'm excited to see what's in this one. And here's the main body. Look at that molding, perfect. Lots of surface detail there, all the hatches. And here is the front, the head. But just look at the detail there. It's just phenomenal. We've got a gun here. Look at that. Okay, here we have the sides. Look at that detail. That is just beautiful. Lots and lots of little details, extra pieces. On this side you can see these are actually made so they just fit together perfectly, and they really do. But look at that surface detail. That's just incredible. Okay, we've got a display base, pretty simple looking there, some terrain. Let's have a look at these screws. So it does come with stickers. These are the stickers here. But it also has decals, so there are not really many options needed. And here we've got our feet. Here we've got part of our legs. And I'm sure these parts will go together perfectly like all the Bandai models do. Looks like we've got two of the same thing. Well, yep, two of exactly the same thing. So here are the decal versions of it, for those who actually make models rather than just toys. And looks like we have a little figure here. It's flat. You can see how tiny that is. We've got our gun here, and just look at the ridging here. I mean, it's perfect. Very impressive. You kind of wish that all the models could make it to this level of molding. Show you here the level of detail. They could calculate exactly where to put these pieces. Look at that. They'll mold this first and then put it in, and then mold that section. I mean, it's just beautiful. There's the lasers. So that's amazing. Let's have a look at our instructions here. There's a list of the colors. It tells you they're all made out of polystyrene. Shows you how to trim so you don't take too much off, just the gate. And shows you how they're supposed to be able to put together, so they should be able to just slot very easily in there. And it shows you kind of the assembly instructions, so it'll be the head, the legs and the body, and then all together. So here there's a little figure there as well where they put the head together. I'm not sure what the purpose of having all the detail on the inside is. You probably won't be able to see it, but that is amazing. They have all that detail in there. The guns, here are the legs. That's leg A, and you've got to do 2 of those. And then you've got to do leg B. So this is front and back, and it should be able to move so that you can position these. And we're going to finish up with that. This is the underside now. We're going to put that together for the legs. It's the underside of the belly. And now putting together the main body. Okay, then we mount the legs onto the underside of the belly. And then mount the head on there. Now it looks like you're going to be able to cover up all the internals, which I think kind of defeats the purpose. It would be nice to be able to see that detail. Then side guns going on, and then laser beams coming out the front if you want that. Here's the base, and then if you want to do other bases you can add them together. So all in all, there's paint and decal guide. That is an amazing model kit. There are the colors needed, and that is just incredible.